Hey guys, today we're making oat milk from scratch. It's super easy, it takes only a few ingredients, and we'll show you guys how. Okay, so first we're going to take our old-fashioned oats. You honestly can use whatever you have so long as it's oatmeal, and it can be blended, so we're going to just pour that in there. The next thing we want to do is take a little bit of vanilla coconut sugar. But you can use whatever you have. Not much, it's really just to give a slight sweetness like milk typically has. Fun fact, milk lactose is actually what makes it sweet. So we're just gonna do 1 tablespoon of that. And that is going to substitute the lactose-like taste of milk. From there, we are going to add a little bit of flour. And the flour is just to keep the consistency of milk so it's not a thin texture. So we're going to do about 1/4 of a cup. This is a 1/2 cup, and I only filled it about halfway of flour. And lastly, we're going to add water. Use as much or as little as you like. It's really up to your preference and the texture that you're going for. So we're going to take about 2 cups of water. I probably won't use all of it, but we're just gonna feel it out. So right now that's pretty good, and it's probably about 2 cups. Okay, so we're gonna put the lid on. Okay, we're gonna take our blender. Just let it start low, and then after a while you can crank it up just to make sure all of the oats are blended. Okay, now that that's blended, what I do is I take cheesecloth and just seed the residue of the oats from the milk. So we're going to do that in this bowl. Take a little bit of cheesecloth. You do not need the whole roll of cheesecloth, don't waste it. Just need a little bit. So this is what cheesecloth obviously looks like. We only need a little bit of this. The easiest way to do this is to just hold it over it and then pour very slowly. At some point, what you're going to have to do is squeeze it out with your hand, so make sure your hands are clean. Squeezing out the oats.
It can get very messy.
It does get messy, but using a big bowl helps. And you're just going to keep doing that until you have all of the liquid removed from the oats. It's messy, y'all. What we're going to do now is just take this and mix it with a little bit more water so that we have more of a milk consistency. Okay, so last but not least, we're going to take the remaining water. We added another cup of water, but let's see, it's really based off the consistency you're looking for. Okay, that's good for now. Let's start with a little bit, you can always add more.
Looking like milk that things.
Yeah, and there you're with it. Have a nice milky consistency, and it smells just like oat milk.
Thank you for joining us at the next episode.
And follow us for more.